You know that feeling when your water's just the right temperature? We've got you covered. Imagine a bottle that keeps your drinks hot or cold for hours, perfect for work, travel, and outdoor adventures. Crafted with durability and elegance, the Techies stainless steel water bottle is built to last and designed to impress. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and tepid water. Whether you're hitting the gym, hiking up a trail, or just tackling your day-to-day, this bottle's got your back. With Techies, you're not just staying hydrated, you're making a statement. Choose quality, choose style, choose ease. Upgrade your hydration game today with Techies, because you deserve better. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and get yours now. Stay refreshed, stay cool, and stay hydrated with Techies. Tired of bathroom clutter? Say hello to your new best friend. Introducing the Techies Bathroom Triangle Corner Rack. This sleek and durable rack fits snugly into any corner, maximizing your space and keeping things tidy. Perfect for organizing toiletries, soaps, and more. No more clutter, just easy installation and long-lasting quality. Upgrade your bathroom and feel the calm with Techies, where technology meets ease. Shop now and experience the Techies difference.
I bet you didn't know charging could be this easy. Meet the Techies 3-in-1 charging cable, say goodbye to tangled wires and slow charging. No. With Techies, power up all your devices, Android, iPhone, or Type-C with lightning speed. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This versatile cable's got you covered. Simplify your life with Techies, where innovation meets ease. Yours today, and charge smarter, not harder.
If you don't like blurry selfies but still want epic shots, then get the Techies Selfie Stick. With adjustable length up to 60 inches, you can capture every angle, every moment. Lightweight and foldable, it fits perfectly in your bag for on-the-go adventures. Need stability? The built-in tripod has you covered. Plus, the Bluetooth remote lets you snap photos from up to 10 meters away. Perfect for group photos, solo travels, and creative angles. Get your Techies Selfie Stick today. Snap stunning photos effortlessly.
If your wrist looks like it's missing something, you're right. You need the ultimate smartwatch. This sleek, stylish smartwatch is your new best friend. Track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even keep tabs on your sleep quality. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist. Stay connected without missing a beat. Get notifications, answer calls, and control your music, all without reaching for your phone. And with customizable watch faces and interchangeable bands, it's designed to fit your unique style. Whether you're hitting the gym, running a marathon, or just trying to stay on top of your busy day, this smartwatch has got you covered. Plus, the long-lasting battery means it's ready to go whenever you are. So why wait? Elevate your fitness game and stay seamlessly connected with the ultimate smartwatch. Your wrist and your life will thank you.